So, as I'm taking the masking up in a portion of the floor where we had an oopsie, I'm noticing that the paint bled through to the floor. So, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to solve this issue. So here's what I've come up with. That's right, I am brushing the floor. So I've put some of this toothpaste that we had here on the floor, and now I'm going to brush it because this flooring has little tiny divots in it, and that's where the paint has gotten stuck. I was able to scrape most of it off, but I'd really like to get it out altogether. So here we go. Okay. So it seems to be working pretty well. It's definitely taken some elbow grease. I wet the toothbrush in this bowl of water, and I'm thinking perhaps that was actually a mistake. So, trial and error, here we go. All right, let's wipe this away and see what it did. Yeah, I think we're better. Definitely gonna take another run at it. We're closing in on it. And suddenly I feel like Cinderella.